These Faittoo video surveillance signs use a bold red, black, and white layout that is easy to notice from a distance and clearly signals that the area is monitored. Each pack provides 4 generously sized 12-inch by 12-inch panels with a sturdy 36-inch stake, giving you enough coverage for multiple entry points around a property. The signs are made from thick, rust-resistant aluminum, so they feel solid in the hand and hold up well when exposed to sun, rain, and snow over many seasons. Reflective printing helps the warning stand out in vehicle headlights at night, making the message just as effective after dark as it is during the day. Pre-drilled holes in both the signs and stakes, along with the included screws and small wrench, make installation straightforward, even for someone who is not very handy. Overall, this set offers a simple and durable way to deter trespassers and vandals without needing any complicated electronic equipment.